I'd like to introduce to you Hikvision's new 3-megapixel outdoor Wi-Fi smart doorbell camera, the DS-HD1. This device was designed with easy installation in mind, so let's take a look at exactly what's inside the box. We'll start off with a bag of accessories, then we have the quick start guide. Remove the plastic cover and there's our video doorbell. Note that it has protective covers over the bell button and the camera. Next we have the screwdriver kit, which includes a specialty security bit. The kit comes with 3 different mounting plates, including a vertical wedge for up and down tilt, a horizontal wedge for left and right tilt, and a standard base. We also include a special gasket for textured or rough wall installations. 3 interchangeable faceplates are included in white, gray, and black. Now let's take a look inside the plastic bag. Here's our power module, a very important piece of the installation. A drill bit, the power module wiring harness, a fuse connection wire, a level which snaps into the mounting plates, wall mounting screws and anchors, 2 U-shaped or spade connector wires, 4 wire nuts, and a bag of machine screws. Inside the bag there are 3 different pairs of machine screws, small, medium, and large, each one for a specific part of the installation. And lastly, the mounting screws and anchors to attach the mounting plate to the wall. Let's take a look at the quick setup guide. It's broken into 3 sections: power kit installation, doorbell installation, and doorbell setup. It shows us everything that's in the box and goes through power kit installation depending on whether you're using a mechanical, electronic, or no chime. Then we go to the actual doorbell installation, followed by doorbell setup, followed by an appendix with LED indicator lights and manual Wi-Fi configuration, SD card management, and finally how to connect your doorbell to an NVR. Let's take a quick look at the procedure for installing a micro SD card up to 128 gigs. Remove the faceplate, locate the SD card slot, and note the graphic for proper SD card orientation. Open the slot cover. Orient your SD card properly and insert it into the slot until the spring-loaded mechanism locks it into place. Once that's done, replace the slot cover and make sure that it's fully seated. Replace the faceplate, but don't put the security screws in just yet, as you're going to need to remove the faceplate during the installation. You'll be able to format or initialize the SD card later during the configuration process. Now let's see how to install the power kit with a mechanical chime. In this case, I've turned power off, I removed the cover, I see it's a 16-volt AC transformer that's powering this, and I have a wiring diagram. In my case, I only have a front doorbell, so I have 1 wire from the transformer and 1 wire coming from the bell. I'm going to go ahead and remove the transformer wire and replace it with the dual wire end of one of the wires from the power kit wiring harness. Then I'll take the single end and I'll attach it back to the transformer wire. I'll do the same thing with the wire from the doorbell itself, and once I have that complete, then I'll plug in the connector to the actual power module. There's 2 adhesive strips on the back of the power module to hold it into place. Replace your cover, and there you go. Power kit installation is complete. Now we're ready to start the doorbell installation. Power is off, and I've already removed the existing doorbell button and exposed the wires. Using the appropriate mounting plate for your application, insert the provided level into the plate and place it on the wall so that you can mark the location for the mounting screws while ensuring that the mounting plate is level. Mark the hole locations with a pencil, and using the provided drill bit, drill holes into the wall and insert the plastic anchors. Tap them in flush with the wall. For rough or textured wall installations, use the provided foam gasket plate by peeling off the adhesive backing paper and applying the gasket to the back of the wall plate. Then secure the wall plate to the wall with the provided screws. Reinsert the provided level, make 1 more check, and adjust as necessary. Now we'll connect the power leads with the U-shaped connectors to the previous doorbell wires. We'll secure the connections with wire nuts. Once secured, I'll push the old wires back into the wall, leaving the new power leads exposed. Using the appropriate machine screws, the medium size, we'll connect the power leads to the back of the doorbell. Now we need to secure the doorbell to the mounting plate. To do this, we'll have to remove the faceplate. Using the large machine screws, we will firmly attach the doorbell to the wall mounting plate. Now we'll need to secure the faceplate to the doorbell, and we'll do this with the small security machine screws and the special tip on the provided screwdriver. Now that the installation is complete, we can remove the plastic covers from the doorbell button and the camera lens. Now we can turn the power back on, and we should see the blue indicator flashing quickly around the doorbell button. Caution, don't use the doorbell button for a few hours as the power kit is conditioning the line, but you can continue on with configuration of the device in Hikvision, which I'll cover in part 2 of this video.